Jose, I've got another question for you, and that is, what is ad rank?
Okay, great question. And this is something where a lot of advertisers, business owners, marketeers get confused about how does Google rank the ads on the search network. Whenever you go to Google, you search for something, you will see four ads at the top if there are four or more advertisers. How does Google know who should be number one, number two, number three, and number four? And that is what ad rank is. If you are ad rank number one advertiser, your ad will show up as number one. If you are number two, your ad will show up in spot number two, three, and four. Now, there are a variety of factors which I won't go into great details over here right now, but Google needs to know that your ad is relevant to the query. So if somebody is searching for, let's say, red apples, your ad needs to be about red apples, so it's relevant, and not just green apple or just golden apple. It needs to be super relevant to that search query. And this is why we love Google so much. It gives us the best solutions, the best answers, and the best experience when we click on an ad and we go to that landing page. Google will not send you to some spammy landing pages. It will also look at your landing page and see what it is all about. You've got fast page speed, you've got privacy policies, terms, and all that. It looks at it. And then it will allocate an ad rank to each one of them. And the advertiser with the highest ad rank will rank number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is also dependent on your quality score and your keyword relevancy and the landing page experience.
Great answer. Thanks for that.